In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Authy tokens. This process is important for anyone looking to switch to another authenticator app. However, it is crucial to note that Authy does not officially support exporting or importing your two-factor authentication tokens. Twilio removed this feature to protect users' security, therefore you will not find a built-in export button within the app itself. This might seem limiting, but the security measures help ensure that your accounts remain safe and secure, which is always a priority. To begin, sign in to the website or app that utilizes Authy for two-factor authentication. This step is essential as it allows you to access the specific account for which you want to transfer the authentication tokens. You will see the login screen of your chosen site where you will enter your credentials. Make sure you have your Authy app open as you will need it to retrieve the current two-factor authentication code. Once logged in, you can proceed with the next steps without any interruptions. Next, disable two-factor authentication for that account. This action will temporarily remove the extra layer of security, but don't worry, you will re-enable it shortly. You'll usually find this option in the security settings of your account. Look for something like two-factor authentication or 2FA. Once you find it, follow the prompts to disable it. This step is vital because it allows you to reset the two-factor authentication process, enabling you to link your account with a new authenticator app later on. After that, re-enable two-factor authentication. This step will kick off the setup process for your new authenticator app. You will likely receive a prompt to set up two-factor authentication again. Follow the instructions provided on the screen. This usually involves generating a new QR code for you to scan. Make sure you have your new authenticator app ready for this crucial moment. Re-enabling two-factor authentication ensures that your account is once again secure, protecting it from unauthorized access. Now scan the new QR code with your new authenticator app. Open the new app and look for an option to add a new account. You will usually find an option to scan a QR code. Position your camera to capture the code on the screen, and the app will automatically recognize it. This action is significant because it links your account with the new authenticator app, effectively transferring your two-factor authentication setup. If available, also save the setup key. Some authenticator apps provide an option to save a setup key after scanning the QR code. This key is a backup that allows you to restore your tokens if needed. Make sure to store it in a safe place. Having this backup is crucial because it can save you from being locked out of your account if you ever lose access to your new authenticator app. Lastly, remember that Authy does offer encrypted cloud backups and device syncing. This feature allows you to restore your tokens on another phone by simply signing into Emowiz with the same phone number and backup password. This means that even if you switch devices, your tokens remain secure and easily accessible. Always ensure you have these backup options set up as they provide an added layer of convenience and security. In conclusion, while you cannot directly export Authy tokens, following these steps will allow you to transition smoothly to another authenticator app. Ensuring your accounts remain protected is always the top priority. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you with your two-factor authentication needs.